Engineering Marvels of India showcases extreme connects across the farthest corners of the nation, built through innovative design thinking and aimed at developing long-lasting solutions. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has been expanding the nation's growth horizons, from building bridges in the farthest corners, connecting international borders, to finding ingenious solutions to the busiest routes, easing the movement of people and helping businesses reach their goals on time. One of the busiest global leisure destinations and an industrial powerhouse has recently been given a massive overhaul. Goa is getting a facelift. Goans like to think that their home is the center of the world's want for the good life. And who can blame them? Pulsating with its own unique energy, Goa is home to scenic beaches, historic locations, natural attractions, and ethnic mix of people, with a twist of modern and contemporary. And to meet the demands of international tourism hotspot, as well as support industrial sectors such as mining, pharmaceuticals, and port management, Goa has had to keep ahead of the infrastructure and fast-paced connectivity curve. In 2016, Dilip Bilcon Limited partnered with the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways from ambition to realization of this massive project.
मैं साइट पर जाता हूँ, रिव्यू करता हूँ. कुछ तो प्रोजेक्ट ऐसे कि मैं 25 बार रिव्यू कर चुका हूँ. फिर प्रॉब्लम पूछता हूँ, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को पूछता हूँ तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, इंजीनियर को पूछता हूँ तुम्हारे क्या है, फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर को बुलाता हूँ, दो एक्विजिशन करूँ. फिर फॉरेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट क्लियरेंस में प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मेरे अध्यक्षता में कमेटी अपॉइंट की, रेलवे वाले क्लियरेंस ने, फॉरेस्ट एनवायरनमेंट क्लियरेंस, मीटिंग लेता हूँ. पर इन प्रॉब्लम को सुलझाने के लिए मेरे लेवल पर हर प्रोजेक्ट का रिव्यू होता है. तो ये जो विगरस फॉलोअप हम करते हैं, इसके कारण भी हमें बहुत बड़ा फायदा हुआ है.
In a country that is constantly reimagining the limits of possibility, the Zuari Bridge connecting Panaji in North Goa with Vasco da Gama and Mormugao Port in South Goa is unlocking the potential for greater and faster connectivity, predicting future problems and addressing current gaps and delays. The Zuari Bridge is aimed at smoothing the future of tourism and business in the prosperous state of Goa. The bridge carries National Highway 66 and is 14 meters above the high tide water level for navigation purpose.
The uniqueness on this project is that the two parallel bridges is combined on a single foundation, which is, of course, you can see this mega size of 89.6 meter by 27 meter by 4 meter depth, and which is over 78 numbers of 2 meter piles, which has been formed in the grid of 5 in a rows of almost 16 rows.
The height of the pylons are 100 meters from the top of this pile cap, so you can understand the kind of effort the people had to put for getting this work done.
The existing 2-lane bridge is being upgraded with an additional 8-lane bridge, dual 4-lane carriageway facilitating movement of heavy carriage vehicles. Previously, the 2-lane bridge did not cater to heavy vehicles, which meant that they had to take an alternate route, increasing the commute by 40 kilometers. This new bridge will ensure a smoother vehicular traffic in the area, including that of heavy vehicles. It also solves the long commute problems across the two banks of the river. Special care has been taken to use long-lasting and sustainable material, as this is the most corrosive climate in India, being very close to the sea.
हम लोगों की एक इच्छा थी कि कंट्री में कुछ ऐसे मार्की प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए जाएं जिससे कि कंपनी का नाम हमेशा के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतिहास में जाना जाए. तो रियली ये इंजीनियरिंग मार्वल प्रोजेक्ट ही है. कंट्री का वाइडेस्ट ब्रिज है, 27 मीटर वन लेन, 27 मीटर अदर लेन, 54 मीटर चौड़ा और 360 मीटर सिंगल स्पान, द सेकंड लार्जेस्ट इन द कंट्री. इवन बॉम्बे के सीलिंग का जो स्पान था वो 260 मीटर था, ये उससे भी बड़ा ब्रिज है 360. तो रियली वर्ल्ड में इस तरह के स्पान और इस तरह का इंजीनियरिंग चैलेंज के प्रोजेक्ट ही बहुत कम होते हैं, तो हमारी कंट्री के लिए तो ये मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस और मार्वल प्रोजेक्ट है।
Being a magnet for tourism, an observatory has been planned on top of a bridge tower, together with an art gallery.
When Minister thought of this idea, he gave an out-of-box suggestion that we need to build the observatory on a top of it at 120-meter height, so that people, Goa being a tourist destination, people can go there, enjoy the scenery and the view.
With its spectacular height and a span of 360 meters, the Zuari Bridge is one of the most impressive engineering ventures in the nation, and its innovative engineering feat will withstand heavy loads, high tides and traffic snarls with effortless ease.